Read, count, learn, and grow. Explore with Miss K's Learning Adventures.
Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another learning adventure with Miss K. Today we're going on a sight word safari. We'll explore the jungle, meet lots of new animal friends, and collect some magical sight words that will help us become amazing readers. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at all of these silly monkeys everywhere. They're holding our sight words. In order to collect the sight words, we have to read the words 3 times. When you see this symbol, that's how you'll know which word we're reading. Are you ready? The word is each. E-A-C-H. Now do your silly monkey dance. Each, each, each. The word is did. D-I-D. Now do your silly monkey dance. Did, did. The word is do. D-O. Now do your silly monkey dance. Do, do, do. The word is down. D-O-W-N. Now do your silly monkey dance. Down, down, down. The word is for. F-O-R. Now do your silly monkey dance. For. The word is every. E-V-E-R-Y. Now do your silly monkey dance. Every. Great job, you guys. Look, it's Ellie the Elephant, and she's so excited. Say, calm down, Ellie. Are you ready? Calm down, Ellie. Calm down, Ellie. Ellie has some sight words in her bubbles. Can you help me pop the sight words? All you have to do is say the word 3 times and blow your elephant trumpet. Brum, 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 brum. Let's go. Oh my goodness. It looks like we finally got Ellie the Elephant to calm down. Now, in order to pop her bubbles, we have to read the words 3 times. After you read the word, we'll blow our elephant trumpets, just like this. Ba-dum-ba-dum, ba-dum-ba-dum. You try it with me. Ba-dum-ba-dum, ba-dum-ba-dum. Great job. Here's our first word. A. Spell A. A. Brum, 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 brum. The word is all. A-L-L. All. Brum, 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 brum. The word is am. A-M. Am. Brum, 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 brum. The word is bee. B-E. Bee. Brum, 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 brum. The word is can. C-A-N. Can. Brum, 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 brum. The word is but. B-U-T. But. Brum, 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 brum. You popped all of the bubbles. Great job! Well, look at all of these colorful parrots. The parrots love to repeat words. The parrots will copy us after we say the words 2 times. And you can copy with the parrots in your parrot voice. Are you ready? The word is little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little.
Little, little, little.
The word is me. M-E, me.
Me.
The word is my. M-Y, my.
My.
The word is like. L-I-K-E, like.
Like.
The word is into. I-N-T-O, into.
Into.
The word is look. L-O-O-K, look.
Lock.
Those silly parrots. I'm so proud of you squawking with them. Great job, boys and girls. Wow, it's Tina the tiger. Tina the tiger says we have to give our loudest roar after we read the words 3 times each. Can you give your loudest roar with me? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that took a lot out of me. Okay, are you ready to read the first word? Don't forget, when you see this symbol, you know which word we're on. The word is good. G-O-O-D. Good. Roar. The word is how. H-O-W. How. Roar. The word is her. H-E-R. Her. Roar. The word is his. H-I-S. His. Roar. The word is he. H-E. He. Roar. The word is had. H-A-D. Had. Roar. The word is has. H-A-S. Has. Roar. The word is him. H-I-M. Him. Roar. The word is from. F-R-O-M. From. Roar. Great job, boys and girls. Give me a roar on 3. 1, 2, 3. Roar. Oh boy, Larry the lion is guarding all of our golden coin words. In order to get the words, we have to read the words 3 times. Clap with me each time we read a word. Here's the first word. The word is on. O-N. On. The is one. O-N-E. One. The word is of. O-F. Of. The word is said. S-A-I-D. Said. The word is two. T-O. Two. The word is the. T-H-E. The. The word is she. S-H-E. She. We got all of the golden coins. Great job, boys and girls. Wow, adventurers, you were simply amazing today. You read so many sight words. Let's read some of our words one more time to lock them into our super word treasure chest. Great job, boys and girls. Don't forget to practice these words every single day. The more you practice, the better reader you'll become. I sure hope you'll join me in the next learning adventure. Until then, I'll see you later, my smart little alligator.